Hi, my name is Erin. I work for Dudley DeBosier and I'm the Director of Operations. So at Dudley DeBosier, we are representing injured victims who have been involved in a car crash. I manage all of the non-legal departments within the firm. So none of the attorneys or the legal assistants, but I manage our help desk, our medical records department, our intake department, and any of the support teams for Dudley DeBosier. We were growing and we were growing fast. So a lot of our infrastructure just wasn't where it needed to be. We didn't really have a lot of systems in place for being able to manage the expectations of the people of our firm and what they needed. For example, we've just implemented a ticketing system here where a lot of the things that they needed to get done are getting done a lot quicker. So that was a huge help. But really it was about technology. We didn't know what we didn't know, and we didn't know what we needed. So I think that it was a huge help to have them kind of come on and guide us in the right direction. The transition was extremely easy. We knew a couple of the guys from Immense already, and just having them kind of come in, and they shared a similar culture that we had, the work hard, play hard, which is very important to us, and being able to kind of drill down and speak in a language that was easy for all of us to really understand. I know for me, I don't really understand all the technical terms of the IT realm, but to be able to sit down with that team and say, listen, this button doesn't work. I don't know what to press. How do I click on this and make it work? I have a problem with this program here. I don't know what it could look like or what it even should look like. Can you help me get to the finish line? And they have a wealth of knowledge that really helped guide us into the right direction. The amount of knowledge that they shared and they were able to bring to our current team really upped the ante for us. There's some programs that we work with and that we're trying to upgrade, and for them to be able to come in and say, we've already experienced these things, we've already kind of worked with the system, we know the workaround, or we know a better way, or we know a vendor that could really get that at a lower cost for you guys, it just meant the world. To be able to have somebody come in and be able to explain things just kind of in layman terms and get us to the finish line quicker than we would be able to do it on our own was amazing. At Dudley DeBosier, metrics is super important to us. We always want to have our finger on the pulse of where we are and where we're going. One of the ways in which we do that is we are always pulling information from our case management software and seeing how many leads we're getting in, how many cases that we've got right now, what our fee production is. We're using very basic Microsoft Access at this point, which we've had Immense help us build some reports for that. But we were able to, through Immense, kind of upgrade some of our systems. For example, they introduced us to a platform called Power BI, which pulls things just much quicker and it's able to really drill down. I have the ability to go into that software application and kind of pick exactly what I want to see, how I want to see it, build some graphs, make it easy and visible for the rest of our team to really understand where we are and where we're going. I would definitely say that bringing them on board has really, like I said, upped the ante for us. They are a crew that wants to persevere and is extremely driven, which is very similar to us. Our motto here is building relationships, and they've definitely done that with our team. I don't view them really as a vendor, but as part of our firm, people that are going to help us get to where we need to be. I would definitely recommend them.